Hey guys, let's make a super easy and refreshing agua fresca de pepino con limon. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. We're going to begin by making our simple syrup. To our saucepan, we're going to add 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar. We're going to set it at medium heat. Mix the sugar and allow it to dissolve. So this should take about 3 minutes. And I'm just going to transfer it to a measuring cup and just allow it to come to room temperature. Alrighty guys, and once our simple syrup has come to room temperature, now we can get ready to make our agua fresca. Okay, to a blender cup, we're going to be adding 4 cucumbers and we're going to be blending with 4 cups of water. Okay, so just blend it all until smooth. Alrighty, so once we have it, now we can transfer it to our pitcher. Okay, so we're going to be straining to remove all the pulp. Okay, to our pitcher, we're also going to be adding 1 more cup of water, 1/3 of a cup of freshly squeezed lime juice, and our simple syrup. Depending on how sweet you want your water, then it depends on how much you're going to add. Now we're just going to mix it and just taste it and see if you want to add any more simple syrup. But just like that, we have our super easy and delicious agua fresca de pepino con limon. So now we can serve over ice. Okay, and just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this agua fresca is seriously so refreshing, so delicious. I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. I also forgot to add the little mint leaves. You can always add it just to make it more refreshing, but honestly, it's the best. So cheers and enjoy. The cucumber, the lime, the best. So perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make super easy and refreshing agua fresca de pepino con limon. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.